gotta get you guys put away before we go. So, like I said, time to go clean that game room. So yeah, guys, here's a before shot. Just bottles, trash, 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 trash. Like I said, my laptop. I'm charging my vlog camera right now. Gotta get all my GoPro stuff. But otherwise, this is before I start cleaning. I still gotta decide if I want to take this camera with me since this is my nice one. But a little bit before, and just like that, the room is clean. I just got my stuff I'm taking with us, which you guys on the nice camera will go in, because there's the vlog camera, my shoes, just waiting on 2 of my portable chargers to get done, and then about to eat my lunch before we have a fun series of flights. It is currently, doesn't want to focus, but 2:45. My friend Marco will be over here at about 4:30, and we will be on our way. So I'm gonna eat real quick, try to relax, and then just finish packing that. Yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, guys, last thing I forgot to do before we get out of here is the fit check, at least for now. This is what I'm gonna be landing in. Just a plain basic white t-shirt. This is a 9-line, which is like a US veteran owned brand. Got the US flag here, 9-line here, very minimum branding. Got my sweet American Eagle jean shorts in black. I know the camera ain't gonna do it justice, but I got like mini holes and stuff. Tapered it down at the bottom. And then I got my black Yeezys. I think these are the carbons. If I'm not mistaken, they're 350 carbons. So yeah, just want to give you guys a fit check. I will be bringing out my crew hoodie because it might be cold on the plane. So it's just gonna be extra comfort, and it might be, you know, it might rain, might be cold when we're overseas. So just want to have something light and comfortable. So now let's go to the airport. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the airport. I mean, you will see some of the cinematics, but right now it's currently 5:22. Our flight leaves at 6:35. Is when boarding starts. So yeah, we got about an hour and 10 minutes to kill before, you know, when we get on. Didn't want to do any fancy cinematics going through like the scanners and everything. Just wanted to hurry up, get through. Yeah, I mean, like, I'm excited to go overseas, but like, it's such a beautiful day outside. I was like, I want to spend it outside riding my motorcycle, but you know, we're on to bigger and better things. But we got to keep the masks on the entire time. So, I mean, right now, socially distancing away from anybody so I can film, because I'm still not comfortable vlogging in public yet. Still working on it, so. But yeah, we're just gotta find a way to kill an hour in the airport when everything's closed because of COVID and no one wants to work. The one bar that was over on this side of the terminal is packed. So I don't know how drunk I'm gonna get before, but you know, never say never, baby. So insert some B-roll of planes flying, and I will see you guys in Atlanta. Okay guys, finally made it to Atlanta. Currently 8:34. Next plane don't board till 9:45, and I am already bored out of my mind. Please send help.
This train is departing.
Okay, we got the little drinky drinks going. Got my Long Island for me, a Bud Light for my dad. Say, they're currently at Arby's and McDonald's getting food, so, you know, just gotta wait. Phone's at 31%, might have to put on the charger here. But we got about 45 minutes till boarding starts. Hour 30 till it takes off, so. Whew. I think I'm gonna sleep good on this next flight. Long day. Long day. Okay guys, so I'm gonna keep this real brief. People are trying to sleep, but we've currently been on this flight for a while now. I've moved seats to try to get some better sleep. So just been plenty of open spots, but it hasn't happened yet. Got my blanket, got my AirPod in. You guys can hear me as well as, so I can play some like podcasts and try to fall asleep to. But my parents are just currently just two rows up, so doing this on my phone instead of my camera because my camera's put away. But we are 5 hours, basically 5 and 45-minute hours away from Amsterdam. Yep, 5 hours, 47 minutes. And it's not showing me, but we should land at about noon tomorrow or today. It is currently midnight here because we're still on like the east coast of the United States, but as time goes on, we'll be 6 hours ahead. So we'll land at like noon. Have a 2-hour wait in Amsterdam. Have a 2-hour flight or an hour flight from Amsterdam to Italy. And yeah, I am just dead. I want to fall asleep so bad, but I can't. But just trying to keep this short. Don't feel like paying for internet. And yeah. So. Let's see if we can try to go back to sleep. Good morning, you pieces of shit. I don't know when the last time I recorded was. I think it's around like midnight, whatever. I think it's like 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 2:30. Right now, we're above the Atlantic Ocean. I have to think about it. Atlantic Ocean. Still haven't made it over England yet. Still got about just under 4 hours left. Like probably like 3.5 hours. Pretty much everybody's been asleep. I was asleep at one point, then I woke up because I got too hot. I had to go to the bathroom, so mid-flight update. One that's hard as hell to fall asleep on this bitch. Once you get there, pray you stay there. with blankets and shit. So I'm just chilling. Yeah. See you guys when we land. Oh my gosh. First steps in Europe. Oh my gosh. We finally made it across the pond. Oh my gosh, it's so much different, the air. I'm kidding. We're still in an airport. Who cares?
Ohio. USA. USA è beautiful, not Roma. Roma. USA è beautiful. Aperta l'aria. Wow. Tua. Molto. America, vedi America? Questa America. Oh, America. America.
Okay guys, so we have now been in Rome for about, we'll say 3 hours or so. And we are finally going out. Parents changed clothes, I changed shirts because after being in that shirt for over 12 hours it was just gross. So I'm gonna go buy drugs and we're gonna go get food, and Mom wants to go see a couple landmarks before the end of the night. So I'm excited. They're dicks! You didn't get that at first? Oh, I'm a young guy. Next one. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and also leave a like. It just makes my self-confidence go up. If you want to follow me on my second channel to see gaming videos and a little bit more off content that you're not going to see on this channel, feel free to follow me on my second channel right up here. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, be a part of my close friend group, you can follow me up here. Or if you want to follow me on my any other socials, if you want to see my photography, right down here. Or if you just want to see any random things I tweet, right down here in this corner. Either way, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.